All right, so today we're going to be carving a pumpkin, and I'm going to try to put it on my and yeah, you know. All right, Molly's over here carving it already. We've got most of the stuff out of it, and then we'll start with the carving. I think I'm just going to do a regular face, and then we'll have to cut a hole, and yeah.